Early man used sounds to express his feelings. Then he used signs and symbols to converse with others. Gradually, he started conversing using languages. So, signs and symbols are not new to human. Similar kind of symbols and signs are used in maps nowadays. Symbols may be drawings, lines, shortened words or colored areas. Most map symbols are conventional signs as they are understood by everyone around the world. International boundaries, they are shown as a series of dashes and dots on a contour map. Such a line forms the border between two countries. State boundaries that are demarcated form the border between the states within a country itself. These are shown by a series of dots and dashes that are thinner and more closely spaced than those in the international boundaries. District boundaries are shown by a series of dashes. These form borders between the districts in a state. Metalled road means a tarred road. It's shown by two red parallel lines. A metalled road indicates that the region is developed. Unmetalled road are shown by a set of broken parallel lines in red on the map. Unmetalled roads indicate that the area is undeveloped. A footpath is used only by people for walking and it's not meant for vehicles. It is usually found in hilly regions on the map. They are indicated by a single red dotted lines. A bridge is shown with a blue water body below it. The water body is usually a stream or a river. This symbol denotes a small river or a stream. This symbol denotes a river. The river either joins another river or flows into a lake or into the sea. An arrow in the river or on the river indicates the direction of the flow of the river. This symbol represents seasonal streams. These streams exist only during the rainy season in areas where the soil is porous. This type of symbol represents a dry riverbed with only a thin, narrow string of water flowing through it. This is a symbol of the confluence where two rivers, the tributary and the main river, meet. This is the symbol of a spring which occurs when the water from underground comes out naturally to the surface. This is the symbol depicting a waterfall. Falls are waterfalls, but the word is shortened in the map. A numerical figure such as 16m or 17m is printed next to a word falls. This is a symbol of a canal. A canal is a channel cut through land in order to transport water from a lake or a river to some distant places where water for the crops is scarce or not available. This is a symbol of well. Wells are bored into the ground till the water table is reached. This is the symbol of a deep tube well or a bore well. This is the symbol of a dam. A dam is a man-made structure built across a river in order to control the flow of water. This symbol stands for a reservoir. Reservoirs shown in blue are perennial. Reservoirs are also man-made. This is the symbol of grassland. The presence of grasslands would indicate pasture land and cattle rearing. This indicates scrubs. Scrubs are very short, hardy grasses on which cattle, particularly goats, thrive. This is the symbol for palms. Palms are found extensively in desert conditions. This is the symbol for bamboo. RF, Reserved Forest, is an area demarcated by the Forest Department where people are not permitted to cut trees. PF. This symbolizes protected forests. These forests have been given some degree of protection with limited grazing rights. This symbol stands for a permanent hut. It will not be taken down in the foreseeable future. This symbol stands for temporary huts that could be pulled down at any time in the foreseeable future. These are symbols of sand dunes. Sand dunes are mounds of sand or sand hills that are formed when sand is deposited by wind from one place to another. Other symbols: camping ground, fort, telegraph office, dak bungalow, police station, church, temple, mosque, rest house, idgah, tomb, grave, dispensary, post office, lighthouse, aerodrome.